Hey, how are you? Welcome back once again. These days, some people come to me and talk to me regarding that even after a practice and we are trying to forgive things, we are trying to think good about an issue, try to think good about a person, or trying to think about certain things we were not thinking good about, but we are not able to do it. So, what should we do? It's a very, very nice question, and I face lots of people who are not able to get through those things and think good about or think right about the things they actually want to change in their minds. So, there are three steps, three ways you can say, three techniques you can say, which will help you out getting release things from your mind, get your mental freedom, and that is what freedom we actually look for. Freedom doesn't mean to be free from the world, free from the families, free from ourselves, from isolation and freeing, getting into isolation and moving out. Freedom is from thoughts. Once our negativity, once the thoughts we don't help us, those don't serve us, just are released. That is what is ultimate freedom is all about. So, how to get release or think good about a particular situation? There are three steps. We are going to discuss those. Firstly, we have to intake good thoughts on a regular basis, either through readings, either through listenings, podcasts, some motivational videos, because whatever has been recorded in our mind is pre-recorded. It's from so many years. We are carrying it from so long. That scenario has to be break slow. But once things are going to be over-reeled, over-capped, over-released, things will start settling down. Am I clear? Am I able to make myself clear? So, important is to re-record our subconscious once again. Secondly, the issue when happened, what was there in my mind? It was the thing that came into my mind that programmed and it was recorded was that it is I am hurt because of them. Now we had passed over our power to them, that I got hurt because of them. Now I have to take my power back. I have to accept things. Once I accept things, once I acknowledge it, I reprogram my mind. My minds need to be reprogrammed that it is my responsibility. It is me who can make me hurt and no one can make me hurt. I have a perspective and the power is in my hands and no one can make me feel bad and I am responsible for my hurt. When the responsibilities comes into my hands, when I feel responsible for my own hurt, then my mind starts working for it, because now it stops begging and asking and putting their fingers that they are responsible. When the fingers comes to me, the mind is our slave. The mind is an automatic positions. It take automatic instructions. Now when it has been reprogrammed that I am responsible for my hurt, now he will try to figure out things that how I can heal now. Third step, the most important. We start saying that we are not able to think good about the person because it's a practice. It takes time. So, to think about, firstly, start writing. Write good things about the person. On the second step, start speaking something about the person. Then on the third step, you will be able to think about the person better. If things are not going inside out, it's time to take outside in. So just release yourself, love yourself, be with yourself. Be comfortable with yourself. I have the power. I am making my hurt. It's my responsibility to make myself happy. No one else can make me happy. I am happy always, and it's my responsibility. The light within me is mine. The instincts within me are mine. The growth is mine. I am free. I have the power. And that is the liberation and the freedom we always wanted. So let yourself free. Just follow basic things. Basic. Life is very simple. We have made it complicated. Love is the only answer for all the problems in the whole scenarios and all the relationships. So enjoy your company, enjoy your relationships, enjoy the world, and let go and release things. Think good about people. That will make you feel good about yourself. You will start vibrating at a better level. Your thoughts will be comfortable. Your feelings will be comfortable. Your personality will be comfortable. Your habits will be comfortable. Your daily life will be comfortable, and your destiny will be comfortable. So just a single perspective shall change everything. So love yourself, live yourself, and be free. Just free, and fly your dreams up high in the sky, limitless, just limitless. Love you all. Alka Gurdatta, Sunshine Freedom.